guys! Good morning! Welcome to my Reels and Vlogs. For today's video guys, attachment ko ngayon sa Vivo City A&W. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys ang outlet sa A&W Vivo City. See you later guys! Welcome to my vlogs para guys, Rose Emily's Vlogs and my Reels sa Facebook. Okay, thank you for your all support. Ito na pala ito yung uniform ko guys. Yan, uniform ko. At ito naman yung bag ko. Nagpalit ako ng bag guys. Malaki. Para marami malagyan. Ayan, see you later. See you mamaya. Downtown line, try kong sumakay ng MRT papunta doon sa... Ewan ko kung may laman pa itong ano ko. Ito daw, inaano ko dito. Wow! Diba na ako. Dibaan ito guys. Ito yung downtown line. Before after school care. Opening yesterday A&W here, Vivo City. Ito yung kiosk nila guys. Oh. Ayan ang kiosk. Ito yung counter. At drinks. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung ano. You see the mug, so nice eh. Yes. Very cute. Very nice. So here, until there. This one only until there.
During my break time guys, naghanap ako ng pagkain. Hindi ko alam kung malapit lang siya sa McDonald's guys. Oh. Yung A&W at saka itong incheck na incheck na kainan.
Yes, ito pala yung A&W na nandito. Ganito kalaki. Yan. Yan sa harap. Yan. Beside lang siya sa McDonald's. Kain muna ako guys. Ito yung A&W na dito guys. Malapit lang siya sa actually sa McDonald's. Beside McDonald's. Actually. Beside McDonald's. Sana masi ano dito, roti. Okay. Guys, we are now at A&W Vivo City. A&W Vivo City. Wow! Order here. Kiosk. The flowers, very beautiful. Wow. A&W restaurant Vivo City. So nice the flower. Oh, you take photo with me here. Yes. Thank you. Wow, this one purple ah.
No, this one red.
Full of flowers. Opening of A&W Vivo City. Yes, you see the flowers. Wow guys, so nice purple color. Hillary si red. Alama, purple, blind. Yellow and orange. Red and yellow. Wow. Pink and red. This one is also push pink eh. Yellow and green. Wow, so nice.